Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming why you may need 5G on a 4G phone. Carriers require 5G-capable hardware and sometimes a specific SIM or plan. First, call or check your carrier for a 5G SIM option and availability. If they supply a 5G SIM, request it. Next, inspect your phone's model specs for 5G NR bands. If none exist, you'll rely on external hardware. Once done, backup data and, if you plan custom firmware, charge to more than 50%. Now you choose how to bridge 5G to your 4G phone. Option A. Get a dedicated 5G hotspot or MiFi that supports carrier bands. It acts as a 5G to Wi-Fi gateway. Option B. Use a 5G USB modem with an OTG-capable phone or a battery-powered 5G router. Make sure to insert the carrier 5G SIM into the external device, set the APN exactly as the carrier specifies, and enable hotspot or tethering with a strong WPA2 password, so your phone can connect. Finish by connecting your 4G phone to the external 5G device's Wi-Fi network and test speeds with a speed test app. You should see lower latency and higher throughput if everything is correct. If performance is poor, move the hotspot to a window, change band preferences on the device, or enable 5G-only mode if available. If it still fails, verify the carrier provisioned the SIM for 5G and update the modem/hotspot firmware. This single step fixes most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.